girl Scarlett. First and foremost, I want to say thank you so fucking much. We're at 300 subscribers, and I know other people are like that ain't shit, but I'm grateful for anybody that fucks with me, fucks with the school, fucks with any information I provide because I don't do the hype shit. I don't like uh get involved with the drama. I give you the information, you fuck with it, cool. I help my students, I mind my goddamn business. So I just appreciate anybody that saw interest or saw value in the videos that we've posted. And sorry I haven't posted the last week or two. Been working on music. That's my main passion. Anything involving the arts and entertainment is my main focus. Forex was always secondary until I had people begging me to teach them. So that's just kind of what happened. So let's get to the shit. All right. So we're gonna go with DXY. Now last week was crazy. A lot of people made some really good bags, myself included. So I hope you guys took advantage. I told you guys a long time ago, at least 2 weeks ago, that I was expecting price to retrace, especially on the DXY. Monthly overall is bearish. So the fact that we hit this level and tapped it, I was really interested to see what was going to happen, especially because we were in this consolidation range. But I was anticipating this to at least get here, and it, exceeded expectations and got all the way down to the 96.06 level. All right. So now that we're at this point, you have daily, weekly, 4 hour here. I'm not really going to be looking for major bearish activity on the dollar until they were able to clear this level. But I am expecting maybe this to bounce around a little bit and then go back up. Okay. Now there's no guarantee, but I do see that we're also kind of pushing on the bull side based off the 1 hour time frame. So from an intraday perspective, if that's something that you're looking into, I am looking for bullish activity until this level is officially able to break, which is roughly the 96.49 level. All right. Now looking at US 30. All right, US 30 tanked. All right, and I was able to get some entries here and ride this down. All right, it was fucking fantastic. Now to keep a couple things to keep in mind. All right, daily is still bearish. Weekly bearish. Okay, which is why I was telling everybody don't bank on this rallying up like that. But I mean, hey, people will eventually listen when it's time. 4 hour, in fact, did its retracement. I'm not really looking for crazy bearish activity from a swing perspective until this 25020 level is able to break. So as of right now, I'm looking for this to it's bouncing around right now, so I'm looking for this to respect and keep going back up. Just because I'm waiting for this main level here roughly to get tapped. All right, that's mainly what I'm looking for. So I'm expecting this to pull back up, but not necessarily like I said, not right away. Okay, so you really got to be aware of that. Another reason why I'm anticipating this to at least go up for a little while is because we had a crazy drop like we did last week, and 1 hour is still due to retrace. All right, so those are a couple factors. So for the upcoming week, I'm expecting some type of bullish activity, especially until this 25020 level breaks. So if this breaks, then I'm going to be looking for some sells. All right. All right. For gold. All right. Gold is in this stupid ass bullish box. All right. Bullish box, bullish range. But I'm still anticipating gold to go up. But because I'm anticipating US 30, which is, your stocks and things of that nature, to have some type of bullish activity, this might drop a little bit. Okay. Now, from a 4 hour perspective, we have a slight break, so I am thinking that this might drop, but I'm not going to look for any sells until I'm able to see this level of 17210.84 to break. I'm really, just because daily's in this crazy range and 4 hours kind of doing wild shit, I really want to take some time to wait and see how everything responds at this moment. If we're able to fully clear out of this 1747.79 range on gold, then I am expecting to ride that up. Okay. I am expecting to ride this up. All right. To the glory, which is going to be up here at this monthly level. But we got a while. Right. So we, make sure that you're patient. Like you're gonna always make more money if you're patient. If you stay and you wait for candles to form, and you wait for different signals and different clues, those are the type of things that you need in order to make a trade and make a more educated decision. Don't just hop in some shit because you saw somebody on YouTube telling you that they're anticipating something to go up. I don't know how long this range will hold. Okay. Especially with everything going on and with the economic climate, and a lot of businesses are opening all over the country, so all over the globe people are starting to open up their economy, so that could play a factor as to why gold is doing this weird range right now. Okay, but I'm still not expecting a heavy sell situation on gold until this level right here is able to break. So I'm still anticipating this to go to the upside. All right. Now UJ, like I told you, is on some wild shit. I told you guys. I told you that daily's bearish, 4 hours bullish. So that means if daily's bearish, that means long term, I'm still expecting it to drop. Okay. If 4 hour is bullish, then that means short term, I'm expecting buys. Okay. But we did, in fact, have a level of support break here, as well as we had candles close here. So I'm looking for the retracement. I'm going to be looking for this to continue down, back down to this 4 hour level, and possibly get us back to this weekly channel that we're currently in. All right. But again, you have to wait for those necessary signals and those clues, because the market is going to be doing some wild shit because of what's going on with the economy and all different other different other countries and central banks. Okay. Now AU. All right, we do have this retracement going on. All right. Weekly, we tapped this weekly point. 4 hour is in fact retracing. I'm thinking about this. I think this is going to drop a little bit further, but I do expect price to possibly give us like a complex pullback, possibly up to this region. So I am going to be interested to see what happens when it gets back around this around this region, around this range here. Okay. So might have some complex pullback activity before this tanks, but I am still anticipating this to hit one of these levels here. Okay. Same thing with NU. Overall, we do have bearish activity from a swing perspective, but price is still kind of like pushing up. But if we're talking about from an intraday perspective, I'm anticipating a little bit of a pullback and then a drop. Okay. GJ. All right. Wonderful. Okay. We have this we have this bullish channel. So I'm anticipating price to get its ass down here somewhere before it starts pushing back up, because overall daily is in a downtrend, but it's just in a bullish channel right now. So that means that overall the market is bearish from a swing perspective, but you're anticipating current activity like intraday or just for momentum wise, it's currently bullish. Okay. So that explains why 4 hour we have this retracement. You have this weird energy here, weird retracement. So I'm anticipating this to get to this level and then go from there. All right. 1 hour is also bearish. So we might have some complex pullback activity before it continues. But like I said, I'm still anticipating price to roughly get long term to the 132.117 level, and then I'll be looking to see how this area responds to either take this back up or to see if I can get a break and take this to the downside, which is going to lead us back into this monthly level. So you just got to really look out for that. Okay. And that's basically it. All right. This is basically my watch list and what I pay attention to. That's it at this point. I don't want to look at anything else. And I'm going to be sticking to this for the next year or two. This will be the main things that I'm trading. If you want to learn for free, you can learn for free at babypips.com. I always encourage this because they give you a lot of information. If you're thinking about getting into Forex and you just want to see if it's something that's really going to interest you and you don't want to waste your time, babypips.com is where you go. If you want to try to learn for free, also with, you're more of a visual person and you want somebody to give you explanations, you can continue to watch this YouTube for free. You can watch other YouTube mentors for free. Go about it that way. Okay. If you want to speed up your learning curve, take your ass to a mentor. And we offer a course that is a 3-step program You can come here. You can follow another quote unquote guru that you're fucking following on YouTube and go there. I don't really give a shit. All right. Whatever works for you and what your needs are is where you need to be. All right. Now, what I would like though is if you appreciate this information, please like this video. Please leave a comment below because it helps us with the YouTube algorithm. And also, since I wasn't available, make sure that I'm gonna in the link below, the bio below, I also have a link to the SoundCloud for the song that I was working on. Please go ahead, go over there, click on it. I'll give you a little snippet of that on the fade out here, and let us give me a like and some love on the track before we actually try to put it on iTunes and things of that nature. All right, appreciate everybody again. Thank you so much for the 300 subscribers. Let's continue to share this on our way to 1,000. And have a good trading week. It's your girl Scar. Peace.
Can you even tell me what the reason is? I don't even know why I bother keeping it. Only wanna see me on the weekend. I don't even understand what you want. Never understood how you been treating me. Always wanna keep shit on the low, since everything is never like social media. Oh yeah. Guess it's time for me